This one has heater, so we need to disconnect the heater cable. Let's see which one is it. Okay guys, let's proceed with the front now. We have the headrest out. And we're doing it in the floor because it's easier, guys. This one has a soft back. So we're gonna get rid of this cover, yes. This is going out. Be sure to save those guys. And if you were to save the covers, all you have to do is remove all the clips. In my case, I don't want to save them. One thing that I noticed for these interiors, guys, they're horrible. Most of the Broncos interiors, wow. Very bad interiors. Even in clothes, they look horrible. This one has heater, so we need to disconnect the heater cable. Let's see which one is it. This one, guys. Now it can come out. That's your cushion. There, but guys, we just cut the pouch. Oh, the reinforcement, not really the pouch, the reinforcement. Like that. Just like that. Then the hack ring. And it's out, guys. And that was your upholstery removal for the front seats. Well, we still need to do that, but it's just the hack rings crap, so no big deal. Same for the other side, guys, because right here at LeatherTeck.com we are demystifying the installation process. We don't make it complicated, it's very easy, guys. If you follow the sequence, the next step is gonna be to sort all the covers, put it where they belong so we don't make mistakes, and start the loading process. That's the sequence that we follow. First is peel off, then we're gonna sort all the covers, get them in the right position, and trim them just in the center, load them basically in the center with the hack rings, and then the whole trimming, which is the finish for the cover. So I want to continue, guys, in the next video. We are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, guys. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe, guys, so I can continue making this content. If it's useful for you guys, please like and hit the subscribe button so you can see what I'm working on in next project, so you get the idea and how the process is done in a way that is painless, or at least less pain. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, want to get the upholstery off. Let's start by the headrests. And guys, we are not sentimental about this cloth interior. One thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this molding. Has a little clip underneath. One on the other side. And all these guys, so we can remove the bolt there. I prefer the floor, it has more leverage. This one is just a little clip right here, guys. That's all it is. And I think we can move to the bench. If you were to save these covers, guys, you remove it clip by clip. It's a very simple process. These Broncos, if I have to rate this vehicle, it will be like a 6, same as a Toyota Tacoma. I'll give it another point just because the Tacoma is more easy. Let's call this a 7. So you get all the clips, guys, as if you want to save the covers. If you don't, you just do like me, just cut the poles because they come off more easily if you remove them. When you use this kind of tool, guys, remember to not to put body parts in front of them. It's easy to have an accident. That was it. Down there. And I think Ford Bronco uses hack rings, not clips. They went back to the hack rings. The hack rings are more solid, guys. Every time they use clips, the clips over time become brittle, they break, and it's all kind of issues. Now this is the way that you will do it at home, at office, if you decide to do this yourself. Then you have one cover off. Same process for the lean back, guys, no different. Same process on the other small section. Let's do this so you can see. You have to be mindful, guys, about this section right here, because of the wires. It's nothing difficult, but just remember how they're laid out so you don't make a mistake when you put yours back. And again, if you were to say this, well, then you don't have to pry the clips one by one so you can release them. But in my case, I don't gonna go that route. This section right here, guys, these plastics, save them. You want to compare to the one that you're gonna receive because they might be different shape, and that will give you a lot of headaches for the installation. And we don't use blades to cut these, guys, because we have seen what the blade does. Besides, it's so risky, you can chop a finger or two. So no blade. I prefer the scissors, but it's your choice. You can play butcher with your blade if you like. Now, guys, I not feel like working too much today, so normally I will do this the way that you saw, by hand, but I need to move quicker. So I'm gonna use my professional tools. Just to make this faster. Guys, you're gonna do the same for the other side, guys, and then the front one is more or less the same thing, so no big deal. And that was the removal for the seat covers upholstery on the Ford Bronco big bend.